A strange and powerful solar flare erupted from the sun, sending waves of cosmic radiation hurtling towards Earth. The planet's magnetic field did its best, but a concentrated stream of energy slammed into the North Pole, bathing Santa's village in an ethereal, shimmering glow. The elves, busy at their workbenches, suddenly felt a bizarre tingling sensation. One by one, they began to stretch and groan, their small frames expanding at an alarming rate. Within minutes, the once diminutive helpers stood as tall as any adult human, their pointed ears and cheerful faces now looking oddly mature and serious. This newfound maturity brought with it a dramatic shift in perspective. The elves, now towering figures, looked at their toy blueprints with disdain. A spinning top, a dollhouse. Utterly frivolous, one declared, adjusting his suddenly tight-fitting suspenders. Another, now a stern-looking elf with a deep voice, proclaimed, "Children need practical skills and useful items, not mere distractions." A consensus was quickly reached. They scrapped the toy designs and began drafting new blueprints for things they deemed more beneficial: high-efficiency refrigerators, powerful vacuum cleaners, and ergonomic office chairs. The workshop, once filled with the cheerful sounds of toy-making, now echoed with the clang of industrial manufacturing. On Christmas morning, presents were delivered as usual, but the scene under Christmas trees worldwide was one of confusion and disappointment. A child in Ohio unwrapped a large box to find a sleek, stainless steel refrigerator. In Japan, a young girl stared blankly at a state-of-the-art vacuum cleaner. Tears and sighs replaced the usual squeals of delight. Parents were baffled, and children felt a profound sense of letdown. Christmas, it seemed, had been replaced by a very practical and boring appliance delivery service. But the children of this generation were resourceful. Facing a Christmas of chores, they turned to the one place they knew held all the answers: YouTube. Tutorials began popping up overnight. DIY vacuum cart racing, one title read. Pimp my mini fridge, turn it into a go-kart, screamed another. Kids gathered in garages and backyards, armed with tools, duct tape, and boundless ingenuity. They rewired the vacuum cleaners, attaching them to skateboards to create powerful, roaring carts. They bolted wheels and steering columns to the refrigerators, transforming them into chunky, downhill racers. One tutorial even showed how to turn a blender into a spray tan booth for dolls. What began as a day of disappointment was quickly becoming a festival of creative engineering. All thanks to some overgrown elves and the power of the internet. Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. And if you liked this Christmas tale, don't forget to like and subscribe.